of silence for our dearly beloved who have passed away. Okay. Okay, finish.
Main joke na.
Hap, hap! Isa ba? Ay, eto pala. Nag-iimbita si...
Bago matapos, kumari lang.
Di ba ito matatapos?
Lahat kayo, tulungan nyo kami sa US group. Sa New York. Live. Ano kaya nyo?
1 to 5. 1 to
July
5.
5. We love all of you. We really love to see all of you there. Si Andy ang next president nga pala ng Southern California.
Andy, hey, let's remember also Alice Bectomino is suffering now from cancer, and Avic was feeling heavy pains in the shoulder.
Ang partner ko naman sa West Coast is Andrew.
Yeah, right.
In our case, in contrast to the East Coast, hindi kami undecided. We have always decided to come. We have always decided to support the Philippine group. Di ba, Andrew? Alam ni Ricky yan. You know? Kasi, ang feeling ko kasi, we should be one. We should not be US-based, we should not be Philippine-based. We all, isa lang tayo eh. One project, one class, one batch. So, you know, this is a good time for us na relieve natin, na revive natin yung, well, old relationships, di ba? Sinasabi ko na may rasunto kaya pumunta rito eh.
Cheers!
Hindi nga side. Paano kami walang old relationship? Matanong kita. Anyway, hindi ko lang sabihin, I always emphasize that if you follow the e-books, you know, sabi nga ng mga ibang kaklase natin dito, lagi kitang nababasa. Hindi isa lang naman yung sinasabi ko palagi eh. Laging yun. Na isa lang tayo. Whether we're US, East Coast, West Coast, Philippine-based, isa lang yan eh. So I don't want any distinction. So itong ginawa natin dito, which is very memorable, you know, we could all repeat this in New York. You know, I know, you know, maraming constraints, pera, schedules, and everything. But with the US group, with the help of Boy, and the rest of Edna sa New Jersey, and Glenn sa New Jersey, we will all get together again 6 months from now, July 2, welcoming night, July 3rd, yung jubilarian night, and July 4th, which is the gala night. Yeah.
So mag-fundraising sila ngayon sa US para sa pamasahe natin.
We'll try to do that. I don't know. Andrew, lika dito.
Chi Yolanda is here. From Canada naman.
True. Thank you for waiting. Anyway, thank you pala.
Magandang gabi sa inyo lahat. First and foremost, gusto kong magpasalamat sa nag-organize ito, yung mga Philippine-based, yung core group. Actually, grabe ang trabaho ninyo. And we do realize kami nanggaling nga, like sina Edna, sina Lodi coming over, na wala kami gagawin kundi mag-show up na. Pero yung ginawa ninyo was kind of talagang infectious eh. So, na-draw kami. And ang totoo kasi niya, wala talaga sana akong balak pumunta. Because first of all, remember, I was the one who protested, bakit naman Pebrero? Why not December? Kasi gusto ko sana pag malaki sa inyo yung magaganda kong anak. You know? Hindi gusto ko sana isama yung mga bata kasi hindi ko sila naiiwan ever na sila lang. Na Pebrero, may eskwela sila. So, I figured, posibleng umalis kami, or ako for that matter, na maiiwan yung mga bata. So, sabi ko kay Edna, huwag na lang uwi ng Pebrero. Sige, July, kasi it's a summer. Kaso mo, mayroon ako ibang na plano ng summer. So sabi ko kay Edna, hindi na rin yata ako pupunta ng July. Nagalit si Edna Lopez. I think halos 2 oras ako kinausap. Eh alam niya namang mahal ko yan. Nung galit na, sabi niya, reunion to reunion. Sabi ko, kung gusto ko ng reunion, uwi ako ng Pilipinas. Andun yung reunion sa akin kasi majority ng mga tao may relationship ako with ay nasa Pilipinas. Akala ko hindi siya papayag kasi before that, sinabi niya uwi siya na Agosto magnininang sa kasal. So sabi pa, hindi na uwi to. So sabi ko, kung mag-reunion, uwi ka Pilipinas. Tumahimik siya siguro for 30 seconds, biglang sabi, o sige, uuwi tayo. Sabi ko, sa asawa ko, patay. Sabi, uuwi pa tayo. Pero hindi ko pa rin tinignan. Kaya lang the following day, nag-email si Edna to all, darating kami ni Chief. Sabi nga, asawa, hindi ka pa nagpapasa ng email, siya yung ating secretary. So I never really knew kung ano nangyayari. Sabi niya, no way out ka na. In-announce na niya na uuwi ka. So doon pa lang ko nag-panic, hindi pa lang ko ng schedule. But then again, I figured, it's not about medicine. Hindi, naisip ko, I made great friends during med school. I guess it's time to meet them all over again. So, through that, we tried to convince Carlota na talagang hinagap man ang kanyang walang balak umuwi. And, you know, we tried to show her yung mga pictures and communication na talaga namang nakita namin yung dedication. So, what did we expect? You know, I just expected it would be fun. But I'm telling you, it's much, much more than what I expected. And maraming salamat sa